Okay, so imagine this. You are trying to connect two apps. Maybe you want every new form submission to automatically show up in a Google Sheet, or you want a Slack message every time someone places an order. That's exactly what we are covering today. By the end of this video, you will have n8n running on your machine and you will know which setup method works best for you. I am Aksa. I run MLTude where I break down AI and data science concepts so they actually make sense. So let's get into it. Before we install anything, let me quickly explain what n8n actually is. Now in n8n, everything is built on a visual canvas. Each step in your automation is called a node. You have got trigger nodes. These start the automation, like when a new row is added to Google Sheets. Then you have got action nodes. These do something with that data, like send an email or post to Slack. You just connect them together and you have got a working automation. And the big thing, because it runs on your machine, your data never goes through n8n's server. That matters a lot if you are handling anything sensitive. One quick note, n8n does have a paid cloud version if you don't want to self-host. But most people come to n8n especially for the free self-hosted option. And that's what we are setting up today. Okay, before I show you the installation, I want to be upfront about something. Self-hosting is powerful, but it's not for everybody. If you have never opened a terminal in your life and the idea of running commands feels overwhelming, honestly, the cloud version or even another tool might be a better starting point for you. Because when you self host, you are responsible for keeping it running. If something breaks, you fix it. But if you are someone who is a little bit comfortable with a terminal or you just want to learn, self hosting n8n is genuinely great. No per task fee, no limits, your data stays local. So if you are okay running a couple of commands, keep watching. This is your setup. There are two ways to install n8n, Docker and npm. I will walk you through both and tell you which one to pick. Let's start with Docker because this is what n8n officially recommends. And once I explain what Docker is, you will understand why. So what is Docker? Basically, Docker lets you run software inside a sealed container. That container has everything the software needs bundled inside it. So you don't have to worry about which version of Node.js you have or whether someone else on your machine is going to conflict with n8n. It just runs, clean and isolated. Alright, so first go to docker.com and download Docker Desktop for your operating system. Mac, Windows, Linux, they all have versions. Install it, open it, and then come back to your terminal. Now this is the important part, so pay attention. When n8n runs inside Docker, all your workflows and credentials are saved inside the container. And if you ever delete or restart the container, even by accident, everything is gone. All your work gone. The fix is something called a Docker volume. A volume just maps a folder on your actual computer into the container. So instead of your data living inside the container, it lives on your machine, safe and persistent. Here is the command, copy this exactly. This part just means n8n will be available at port 5678 on your machine. And the -v part, that's the volume. It's telling Docker to store all your n8n data in a folder called .n8n on your computer, not inside the container. Hit enter. It will take a minute or two to download the image the first time. Once you see n8n ready on port 5678 in your terminal, open your browser and go to localhost 5678. You will land on a setup screen. Create your owner account and you are in. If you don't want to use Docker or you already have Node.js on your machine, you can install n8n directly with npm. It's just two commands. To check the Node.js version, run this in your terminal, node double dash version. If you need to install Node.js, go to nodejs.org and grab the LTS version. Right now, that's version 24. Once you are sorted, install n8n globally with npm install -g n8n. The -g means global, so you can run n8n from anywhere on your machine, not just one specific folder. Then to start it, just run n8n start. Same as before, Once it says it's running on port 5678, go to localhost 5678 in your browser and set up your account. Quick comparison before we move on. NPM is simpler to get started with. Docker is better if you're planning to eventually move this to a server or want a cleaner setup. And when you are ready to move it to a server, I personally use DigitalOcean for that. Link is in the description. For just trying n8n out on your laptop, either one works perfectly fine. Alright, n8n is running. Now let me show you how to actually use it because setting it up is only half the job. Click New Workflow, you will land on an empty canvas. This is where you build your automations. Every workflow needs a trigger first. Click the plus button and search for Schedule Trigger. This is the easiest one to start with. It just runs your workflow on a timer. Set it to run every minute. Now click the plus button again and add an HTTP request node. This node lets you call any API. For testing, point it at this URL. That fetches live weather data for London. Temperature, humidity, wind speed, all of it. Change London to any city you want and think about it. This is already a real use case. Now hit execute workflow. Watch what happens. Each node lights up green as it runs. That's it. That's the core idea. Trigger runs, action executes, data flows through. Every automation you built in n8n, no matter how complex, is just more nodes added to the same pattern. When you are ready to let it run on its own automatically, just click the publish button at the top. Done. It will keep running in the background without you touching it. And if you want to go deeper from here, DataCamp just released a course on workflow automation with n8n that covers triggers, logic, APIs, and AI powered workflows. Great next step if you want structured practice. Here is what to do right now. Pick your method, Docker if you want a proper setup, NPM if you just want to try it quickly. Get to that localhost 5678 screen and start building. If this video helped you, hit like. And if you want to go from setup to actually building real AI agents with n8n, there is a full course on Coursera by Edureka that covers RAG, memory, multi-agent workflows, the whole thing. I will link it below. A few links in this video are affiliate links. If you purchase through them, I may earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. I only recommend resources I trust and find valuable.